You're in the market for purchasing a new label printer, but which one should you go for? I will in this video describe some of the considerations you need to go through before purchasing a new label printer. When you select your label printer, you need to make sure that your label printer and your printing application are compatible. With InterForm, we're able to generate various printer languages, for instance ZPL. And for ZPL, we recommend Zebra label printers that are ZPL compatible. One element to consider is the printer management. If you have printers more than 5 years old, you might need to upload fonts locally, or you need to contact your colleagues in various countries to ask them to update your printers. On newer printers, Zebra offer remote management, so you can centrally update your printers and upload fonts from your PC. One of the advantages with the InterForm product is that we generate the ZPL data stream ourselves, so we're independent of any driver you might need on your PC. Another advantage is that the InterForm is able to include fonts directly in the print data stream. One feature that we have come to appreciate is the preview feature that Zebra printers facilitate. We have taken a step further and built this into our product InterForm. Directly from the product, we can capture a preview of a label on the physical printer without having to be physically in front of the printer. This is a very helpful feature that enables you to work with your design in our product InterForm, and then directly from within the product you're able to test on a label printer how your output will look. It's also very handy in the situation where you deploy and manage your remote printers and still want to preview the output. When you consider a new label printer, I strongly recommend that you consider the printer resolution. The resolution of your printer relates to the barcode sizes. So with a 300 dpi printer, you have more flexibility and scalability compared to a 203 dpi printer. It means that you can create smaller barcodes, and you can also create the barcode size that you actually request. The difference between a 203 dpi and a 300 dpi printer is that each dot is smaller on a 300 dpi printer. So it means that we can print more detailed. And it also means that each dot is actually smaller than compared to a 203 dpi printer. So in the top label, we have sent a 300 dpi data stream to the 300 dpi printer, and the label is printed correctly. In the bottom, we have sent the same data stream to a 203 dpi printer, so the output is scaled and it actually gets too large. The final thing to consider is if you want to print in other character sets than the Western. It could be that you want to print Chinese or Japanese or other. If you want to do that, then you need to verify if your exact printer model supports Unicode. That is important before you make the decision and make your investment.